Hi guys, this is just a little tutorial on big bouncy curls and a wee front plait. So if you like what you see, keep on watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, first things first, I'm going to put heat protector all through my hair because I'm going to obviously curl it after. I'm going to take a section from here till there, get this out of the way. So I'm going to plait it forward and sort of stop around about there and kind of let it the little tuck in. So going under and under with each section. So I'm taking it, this side I'm taking, like the plait is going to be closer to my forehead. So that you're nearly, kind of like a waterfall, but just not as one-sided as a waterfall would be. I don't want to get hair, so I'm not going to get the whole way down that side. And plait the whole way down. So we're taking a wee Primark elastic. So I'm gonna get my tongs, turn them on, and give the rest of my hair a good brush. I'm gonna do a few sections at the top, curl them up and kind of pin curl them in just because I'd like a wee bit of height. And my hair's not the best at holding height. The GHD tongs are actually class because while you're straightening them or while you're curling, you get the same shine and the same smoothness that you would if you were using your straighteners. I know a lot of people don't actually use tongs because they will opt for the GHDs or like the straighteners because they'll get it smoother. But with the GHD tong you can. I know a lot of people that would actually straighten their hair before they would curl it, but at least then with the GHD tongs you don't need to do that either. So it sort of saves a step. It kind of is counterproductive because you're straightening it and then curling it. And it actually means that the curl has to work that wee bit harder to get curly. This is where I then go section my hair and start at the bottom. If you wanted your curls tighter at the bottom, you could set the curls as well, or if you were doing your hair and then going to get your makeup done, you could do it that way too. I actually really don't want a lot of like a tight curl, more so all I want is like a wave.
best to hide this low down feeling. I try to make believe there's nothing wrong, but they're always asking me about your dark, and it hurts me so to tell them that you're gone. If they ask me, I guess I'd be denied that I've been unhappy all along. But if they hurt my heart, they'll hear it cry. Where's my darling when she coming home? I ask myself a million times what's right for me to do. To try to lose my blues or hang around for you. But I'm hurting good until that moon comes shining through. And then I get.
I always find I need to leave the front bits a little bit tighter, just because I probably would be inclined myself to touch them more, basically. So just check that I actually have it all curled at this stage, because it's quite hard, you know, whenever you're doing it yourself. There's a little bit there that I want to just smooth out a little bit more.
Time stands still when you're awake. Sometimes I think my heart is stopping too. One lonely hour seems forever.
Bit of the mega dust. This is the old packaging. This is the styling. They've now changed it. No, this is Design Pulse. They've now changed this to the styling, so it's in different packaging. So it just lets you know how long them wee bios last. Because any time really I would have a plait in, I would need to use it. Do you know, like if I'm going to pull it out, or most up styles, or anytime really I back comb my hair, I'll have to use it, just because my hair doesn't really like being back combed. So we're pulling these out. And obviously whenever you're doing it, pull it a lot more than what you want it to be pulled out to, if that makes sense. So I always start at the bottom to give that I can pull it up. So with Johnny Cash flat out at the minute, because I love Johnny Cash. It was my dad's birthday during the week, and he loves Johnny Cash too. Whenever we were growing up, I actually don't think I knew that there was anybody else that made music until I was about 10, I'd say. Apart from Johnny Cash, because that was all we listened to. But I wasn't complaining. I love good old proper country. So back home, these top bits that we just took out. Sometimes if I'm gonna like curl my whole hair like this, do like nice and big and bouncy, that I want it to maybe stay a wee bit longer, I'll roller it. Or the silver pins that we normally use in the salon are actually a lot handier. I just don't have any. So that's us rightly back combed and a little bit of hairspray, because you're looking beautiful now. And we flick back. Get our Denman and shine spray. So shine spray on your brush and brush it through. The shine spray just stops the hair from frizzing up too much, especially after be it like a wee bit of back combing and heat protector and a lot of product. It just stops it frizzing on you. I'm literally going to get the tail end of my plait, just going to tuck it in there. So the way I'm going to use my clip, I'm actually going to put it under and kind of weave it a few times in.
I don't want to hear that.
And that's it. That's literally another super handy hairstyle that's just a wee bit more. Also another one for second day, because if you're anything like me, you touch the top of your hair a lot, or the front of your hair a lot, and the more you touch it, the greasier it gets. So another wee handy one. Hope you enjoyed my little tutorial. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give it a wee thumbs up if you liked what you see. Bye!